In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. Customizing a purchase order can help you streamline your business operations and better meet your unique needs. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to get started by heading to the QuickBooks website. For easy access, you can simply do a quick Google search for QuickBooks Online and click on the link to the official site. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, which should be prominently displayed on the main page. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login page. Logging in is straightforward. Just enter your account credentials, being mindful of correct spelling to ensure a smooth login. Now, you should be in the QuickBooks dashboard. Your next move is to locate the New button. It's usually found at the top of the left-hand menu. Clicking this gives you a new set of options, and what you want to select next is Purchase Order. Now that you're viewing a new purchase order, let's move on to customization. Look towards the settings for the current document you are working on. The settings should provide you with various options, and within this you'll find Manage Custom Fields. Clicking on that will bring up your customization options. Custom fields are fantastic for adding specific data points that standard forms might not include. To add a new field, look for Add Custom Field and give it a click. This is where the real customization happens. Next, you'll need to enter a name for your custom field. Think about what kind of information would be most useful or necessary for your particular use case. It might be client-specific data, an internal tracking number, or any other detail pertinent to your operations. Once you've chosen a name, your next task is to decide on a data type. QuickBooks will typically offer several types, such as text, number, or date. Selecting the right one is key as it dictates how the information can be entered and displayed in the purchase order. Following this, choose the category for your custom field. Categories help organize information effectively, making it easier to manage later on. With your choices made, make sure you select Purchase Order because this indicates where you want this custom field to appear. After you've filled in all the necessary information, there's just one more step. Click Save. This action ensures all your adjustments have been recorded and that your purchase order is now reflecting the custom fields you've set up. And there you have it. You have successfully customized a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you've tailored your purchase orders to better suit your business's unique requirements. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful in managing your QuickBooks Online settings with more ease and efficiency.